This video is intended to supplement the instructions for use and does not replace them. All binding instructions or training requirements must be followed. Your local Dräger representative can advise you whether the content shown in this video is available in your country. Mentioned trademarks may not be registered in all countries. For further information, please visit dräger.com/trademarks.
In this video, we show you how to prepare the 3 different carrying system options for the Dräger X-plore 8500 and X-plore 8700 PAPR, and how to correctly don and doff the equipment. For all other steps involved in assembling and donning the powered air purifying respirator system, please refer to the instructions for use or watch the dedicated X-plore 8000 donning video. 3 different belt options are available for the X-plore 8500 and 8700. The standard textile belt, a decontaminable belt option, and a leather belt for welding applications. We will demonstrate the application using the standard belt as an example. Before attaching the carrying system, insert the battery and the filter suitable for your application into the blower unit. Instructions for this are provided in our separate X-plore 8000 How to Use video. A belt extension is available for both the standard and the decontaminable belt if required. If you are using a belt extension, attach it to the selected belt first. If necessary, attach the optional comfort padding to the inside of the standard belt. Next, align the connection points of the connecting plate with the mounting points on the blower unit. Make sure that the arrow is pointing upwards and that the markings match. Place the connecting plate at an angle onto the upper edge of the blower unit. When inserted correctly, the connecting plate will click audibly into place. Adjust the belt to the approximate desired length and then position it around your hips. Close the buckle and tighten the belt. If necessary, use the belt clips to secure any excess belt length. The leather belt uses a different fastening system from the other 2 versions. To adjust it to your size, select the appropriate hole, just as you would with a normal trouser belt. To remove the carrying system after use, first leave the danger zone. Remove the head protection before switching off the blower unit by pressing the green button for approximately 2 seconds. Next, open the buckle on the belt to remove the system. To dismantle the carrying system, press the upper blue release button to detach the backplate from the blower unit. The entire system can then be dismantled and prepared for the next use. If you want to distribute the weight across your shoulders and have additional support, an optional shoulder carrying system is available. It can be combined with the respective belt option. First, connect the shoulder carrying system to the back plate on the harness using the corresponding press studs. To ensure correct alignment, make sure that the press studs are on the side with the silver harness plate. Then attach the ends of the shoulder straps to the harness plate. Next, align the connection points of the connecting plate with the mounting points on the blower unit. Make sure that the arrow is pointing upwards and that the markings match. Place the connecting plate at an angle onto the upper edge of the device. When inserted correctly, the connecting plate will click audibly into place. Adjust the shoulder straps and belt to your approximate desired length. Place the device over your shoulders, fasten the belt buckle, and readjust the fit if necessary. Make sure that the straps are not twisted. Leave the danger zone before removing the carrying system. First, remove the headpiece before pressing and holding the green button for approximately 2 seconds to switch off the device. Next, open the belt buckle and remove the system. Disconnect the breathing connection and remove the hose. To dismantle the carrying system, press the upper blue locking button to release the back plate from the blower unit. Then disconnect the harness support system from the belt. The system can then be completely disassembled and prepared for its next use. As an alternative to the hip carry option, a backpack carrying system is also available. To connect the backpack carrying system to the blower unit, first open the buckles on the carrying system and thread the coupling of the hose connection from the device through the upper connection. First open the buckles on the carrying system and thread the coupling of the hose connection from the device through the upper connection. Close the horizontal fastener on the device and then close the vertical buckle. Tighten the straps so that the blower unit cannot slip. If more stability is required, you can optionally attach the additional hip belt. This is not included in the scope of delivery of the backpack carrying system and must be ordered separately. Thread the breathing hose through the dedicated hose rack before connecting the device to the headpiece. To put on the device, adjust the strap and shoulder straps to the approximate required fit. Then connect the headpiece and place the carrying system over one arm. Switch on the device by pressing and holding the green button for approximately 2 seconds. Place the carrying system fully over both shoulders. Then put on the headpiece and close the 2 buckles. To remove the carrying system, first leave the danger zone. Open the buckles on the carrying system. Release one arm from the shoulder strap and remove the headpiece. Switch off the blower unit by pressing the green button for approximately 2 seconds. The system can now be completely dismantled and prepared for the next use. Open the buckles on the carrying system to release the blower unit from the carrying system. Please refer to the instructions for use or our dedicated cleaning video for information on maintenance and correct cleaning of the system.